What is an uncontested divorce? Well, the word uncontested is the key word. What that means is that the two spouses agree. It's unchallenged. It's accepted. You both agree with the terms. In these cases, the court only needs to then rubber stamp your agreement. But here's some things to think about. In my practice, couples frequently say, this is an uncontested divorce, but they haven't thought of everything that needs to go into the paperwork. So some examples are, how are your assets specifically divided? Now, your assets and liabilities are what you owe and what you own. So examples are your house and all the contents and your credit card debt. How are you specifically going to deal with that? Who's going to get the house and who's going to get the cars? If you have a retirement plan, you're going to need a special court order, court document that officially divides that retirement plan. Your employer or your plan will not divide those up for you. If you have children, there are all kinds of issues that come into play. Who's going to have custody of the child? What days are you going to have your time sharing? What are you going to do about holidays and birthdays? What about activities that your children are involved in? Who's going to decide what school your kids go to or what their religion is going to be? The goal is to agree now so you have no conflict later. So if you and your spouse are able to agree on almost everything together, great. But it's still a good idea to have a lawyer look over the agreement to make sure that it's fair to both of you and it includes everything. So in summary, an uncontested divorce may be simple or complex. You just need to make sure that you get all of the important issues agreed upon and in your paperwork.